Kenya Airways is retrenching 38 employees starting today in the second phase of its turnaround strategy. In a statement sent to newsrooms, KQ says difficult decisions have to be made in order for it to profitably fly above its turbulent skies. This is the second time the national carrier is downsizing in less than a year. Phase 1, which happened in July 2016, saw about 80 staff sent home. The airline issued a notice of its intention to reorganize its workforce through staff redundancies and redeployment, saying the decision followed intense consultations with all parties involved. Now, this is part of the Kenya Airways turnaround strategy dubbed Operation Pride, which started last year.